Most of the beginners start coding but quit in 3 months. Not because that coding is hard, because they don't follow proper roadmap. Hi everyone, this is Shubham from Code Talk Shubham. In this video, I will show you extract a coding roadmap to go from zero coding knowledge, real project, internship and job. Most of the beginner watch random tutorials, jump between language and memorize coding without understand their logics. This leads to confusion, low confidence and finally quitting the codings. Let me very clear. Coding is not about learning 10 programming language. Coding is about logic, problem solving, building real things. Before learning code, you must to learn how to think. Start with flowchart, pseudocode, simple problem solving. Without logic, coding will always feel difficult. Do not learn multiple languages together. Choose one beginner friendly language first, like Python or C++. My recommendation is that as a beginner, you start with Python. Focus on variables, data types, conditions, loops. Do not rush this stage because a strong base equal to easy advanced coding. Learn array list, strings, stacks and queue, basic recursion. This topic improve logical thinking as well as interview preparation. Learn classes and object, inheritance, polymerism. This is where you start thinking like a real software engineer. These most important steps start with calculator, student management system, file automation tools, project make you confidence, job ready or interview ready. Because after making project, you build a strong trust on coding. You see something you have achieved. Now choosing a path, web development, AI/ML, data scientist, backend development. Do not try everything. Choose one and go deep. If you follow this roadmap honestly, coding will become simple, project will become easy, and opportunity follow you automatically. If you are beginner, comment roadmap.